In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up autoresponders in Mailchimp. Setting up autoresponders can be an incredibly effective way to engage with your audience without having to manually send out emails every time. Whether you're welcoming new subscribers or nurturing leads, this process will help you maximize your reach and stay connected with your community effortlessly. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to head over to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. This is your starting point where you have access to all the features Mailchimp offers. Once logged in, you should see your dashboard in front of you. On the left side, you'll find a menu, and from there you want to click on Automations. This section of Mailchimp is where the magic of autoresponders happens, allowing you to set up automated flows and journeys for your email campaigns. Next up, Mailchimp gives you a couple of options. You can either build your automation from scratch, giving you complete control over every detail, or choose a pre-built journey that Mailchimp has designed to meet common needs. For those just starting, pre-built journeys are great starting points. In today's tutorial, we'll be demonstrating the process with one of the pre-built options. Once you're in the automations area, you'll notice an option for Welcome Series. This is a popular choice for engaging new subscribers and making them feel part of your community right from the get-go. With your journey type selected, it's time to customize your automation. One of the first things you'll do is set your trigger. This is essentially what tells Mailchimp when to send out your email. Triggers can be based on various actions, such as when someone joins your mailing list, interacts with a link, or even completes a purchase. Select the trigger that best aligns with the goals of your campaign. Now that the automation is set up, it's time to design your email. Click on Design Email to get started. The first step in this phase is entering your from, name, and email address. This information is crucial as it helps recipients recognize the email as coming from you and establishes trust. Next, you'll need to choose and personalize your subject line. Personalization can really make your emails stand out. Consider using merge tags like first name to make the correspondence feel more tailored and human. With those details sorted, it's time to design the body of your email. Mailchimp provides a straightforward drag and drop editor loaded with customizable templates. Feel free to explore the templates Mailchimp offers or start from scratch to match your brand's specific style and voice. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to put your work to action. You have the option to start sending or simply turn on your automation. As an additional tip, it's always a good idea to test your automation before letting it run. Use the preview feature or send a test email to yourself to ensure that everything appears and functions just as you want it to. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up autoresponders in Mailchimp. Now you're all set to engage with your audience automatically and more effectively. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.